Hello guys, welcome to our very first tutorial. Okay, so we're gonna learn the basics of Sony Vegas Pro. Okay, wait a sec. I'm just gonna start out my timer here because I've done this tutorial about maybe 5 times and I keep going over the time limit or the audio fucked up, so hopefully this one's gonna work well. Okay, so we're going to start off with these top 5 or 6 buttons. I am bad at counting, it's 6. So, we got a new button. These first 3, well 4, are pretty much like Microsoft Word. You get your new file, open, save as. Pretty basic, everyone's going to know how to use them. So, let's go to properties. This is one of the main things in Sony Vegas. And you can see as there are 2 of them on about 50 ways to get to them, properties, that they're quite important. So we're just gonna click on this, and got a load of these different things all here, all with different settings, and we're just gonna use this one for the majority of the time because, well, it's pretty good. This is what you use for standard definition footage, and say you want to go to high definition, you'd probably use something like this. Let's see. That would be our high definition, but we're only going to work with standard definition for most of it, so we'll keep this and we're just going to tweak it a little. Okay, so just follow what I'm doing here, and that should be us. Okay, so we're going to want to start pretty much everything with this, so we're just going to hit start all new project with these settings. We can type in new Sony Vegas SE settings and press the save button, save that as our template. I couldn't be arsed doing it though. But if you guys want it, then yeah, click this button, hit apply, and then hit OK. But I'm just gonna leave it the way I have it at the moment. Actually, I'll change it for you guys. God, really should I change this first? Just wasting time. Oh well, I'm not good at this. Say OK. So there we go. Project boss change because different settings give you different things. So let's move on to these 3 tabs. So we have project media. This is basically our way of importing all of our stuff in. Got loads of different stuff. So that's just a way of importing all your clips in. You press this wee button to do it, import media, or you can go to file, import, and then media. Then we got Explorer. Explorer is basically a way of viewing all of your documents quite quickly. And if you got a lot of stuff to bring in, select it all. I'm gonna try not to select that because it's gonna crash my computer. But select all your stuff, drag it in onto your timeline, and you get a few tracks or something. Video FX basically ranges from color correction to just general effects, saturation, that's all color correction. Got some new stuff new to Sony Vegas Pro 9, like this Starburst. It's quite useful. It's quite nice, I don't know really how you can use that in normal clips, but it's good for games. Then we got transitions. These will be used quite a lot. Mainly dissolve, flash, linear wipe, pro average. I probably said that wrong. Pro average. I don't know. And zoom. Maybe not so much zoom, but we'll be using them. Then there's media generators. These are just random. These can be useful, but I usually never use checkerboard. Sometimes I use color gradient. It'll be the most useful out of all of them. Yeah, your credit rolls, use that at the end. Something noise catcher, that's used all of the time in Sony Vegas tutorials, especially the really dodgy ones where people just put them together in a couple of minutes. Prototype Tyler, new to Sony Vegas Pro 9 or 8 even. It's very powerful. Plugin, which we're going to be working with soon. Solid color, never touch the colors. These are pretty good. I use the colors a lot. You'd be surprised what you can do with some colors. We got test patterns. This gradient is used sometimes in montages, but they turn out shit with gradients. Different tats, you can make presets for all of these so you can use them all the time. As you can see, I made a shitty preset for this randomly, which I'm just going to show you. See, that was my old gamer tag, and it looks pretty crappy. Not gonna lie to you guys, it looks shit. Let's see. I should probably delete that. No, well. These are our 2 main sort of tracks. We got volume, or audio, and video. This is the opacity of it. Okay. This is mainly used quite a lot by people that know what they're doing. Motion track allows you to make stuff widescreen, stuff like that. As you can see, I got a few different things for it. One, I don't know what one is, so I'm just going to delete that. A widescreen, full screen, and Camtasia Tuts. I used to Camtasia Tuts when I rendered in Sony Vegas because I didn't know how to use Camtasia that much, but I'd strongly recommend using Camtasia. It like cuts down file sizes by like half. It's solo, very useful. We'll learn about that later. I'm gonna try and keep this short because I think I'm close to 6 minutes. I don't know. This is our preview bots preset sort of thing. It allows you to change the look of it. As you can see down here, this is going to change whenever I do this. See, it changes. And if you're just looking at something, like you want to watch whatever you have, put it to preview auto and let it play. Or if you're really good computer, preview full. Never put it best full. That's going to ruin it. It'll just lag all the time. So I think I'm at 6 minutes. I'm going to keep this short, and we're going to work on our next tutorial after this. I'm not exactly sure what it'll be at the moment, but I'm going to hopefully get something off for you guys as soon as I can. Let's see if I can stop this. Let me stop it. There we go.